is Alicia Luisi Altamira from Grade 7 Jupiter. In this video, I'm going to discuss the volume of a cylinder. Let us know first, what is a cylinder?
A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape that features two parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. The bases are congruent and lie in parallel planes, while the curved surface forms a lateral surface that connects the bases. The axis of the cylinder is the line segment connecting the centers of the circular bases. Cylinders can be classified into two main types: the right cylinders and oblique cylinders. A right cylinder is a cylinder in which the axis is perpendicular to the circular bases, forming a right angle. This means that the axis is perpendicular to the plane of each base, creating a shape that is perfectly upward. Right cylinder are the most common type of cylinder encountered in everyday life. Oblique cylinder is a cylinder in which the axis is not perpendicular to the circular bases. This means that the axis does not form a right angle with the plane of the bases. As a result, the shape of an oblique cylinder appears tilted or slanted. Oblique cylinders are less common and are often encountered in more complex geometric structures. Remember, when calculating the volume of a cylinder, it is important to consider whether the cylinder is a right or an oblique cylinder. The calculations will differ depending on the orientation of the axis. Let us now proceed to the main topic, which is the volume of a cylinder. The formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder is given as volume of a cylinder equals pi times r squared times height, where pi represents the mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14, while r is the radius of the circular base of the cylinder, and h is the height of the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder refers to the amount of space enclosed by the shape. It is a measure of the total capacity or the total amount of material that can be contained within the cylinder. The material could be a liquid quantity or any substance which can be filled in the cylinder uniformly. The volume is expressed in cubic units such as cubic centimeters or cubic meters. To further illustrate the concepts and formula discussed, let's solve an example related to the volume of a cylinder.
Word problem. The radius of a can of meatloaf is 2.5 centimeters and the height is 8.5 centimeters. What is the volume of the tin can? Let us complete the table below. The unit used in the word problem is centimeters or cm. The pi has an approximation of 3.14. The given radius is 2.5 centimeters. The given height is 8.5 centimeters. Now, let us compute for the volume of the cylinder. Using the formula, volume equals pi times r squared times height, meaning we have to multiply the pi, radius, and height. Let us substitute the given values to the formula. Volume equals 3.14 times 2.5 centimeters times 2.5 centimeters times 8.5 centimeters. First, we need to solve for the radius. We will just multiply the radius by itself. 2.5 centimeters times 2.5 centimeters is equals to 6.25 square centimeters. Then, copy. Volume equals 3.14 times 6.25 square centimeters times 8.5 centimeters. We will now multiply all the given numbers. 3.14 times 6.25 square centimeters times 8.5 centimeters. We will get the volume equals 166.8125 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the canned meatloaf is 166.81 cubic centimeters. And that is how you solve to get the volume of a cylinder.
Conclusion. By calculating the volume of a cylinder, we can determine the amount of space it occupies or the amount of material it can hold. The volume is crucial measurement in various mathematical and real-world applications.